we've just graduated from Libii Culinary Institute.
We can't wait to cook some awesome food for you guys.
Our teacher told us, a good chef makes food that brings people happiness. When you have a dream, you gotta make it come true.
Our classmates have opened up restaurants all over the world. We chose a place with beaches and sunshine.
So, we've just opened our island restaurant.
Welcome to Island Restaurant. Let's get lost in the fantastic world of gourmet food.
Hi.
Soaking white rice with coconut milk is the key to making it turn out creamy and tasty. Be careful, don't cut yourself. Bravo! Let's cook along with the music. Pretty good! Good job! You did a great job! Pretty good! Bravo! Making a fancy presentation is not as easy as it looks.
Cha-cha-cha-cha!
Hi.
Hi!
Soaking white rice with coconut milk is the key to making it turn out creamy and tasty. careful, don't burn it. Making a fancy presentation is not as easy as it looks.
Cha-cha-cha-cha!